The Bank of Guyana is leading a payment system reform in order to establish a modern payment system to enhance safety and efficiency of payments in Guyana. Nowadays, the Guyana payment system is costly and inefficient. From the 243 million payments consumers initiate annually, 99.9% of all payments initiated are made in cash. To make those payments, consumers need 40 minutes to go to a bank branch, agent outlet, or collection office and make the transaction. The current paper-based payments in Guyana cost to the country about 2.58% of the gross domestic product per year, about 77 million US dollars. 2.45% of the GDP for consumers, which represents 73.3 million US dollars per year. And 0.13% of the GDP, it's the annual cost for government agencies, about 4.1 million US dollars. To solve this problem, the Bank of Guyana wants to establish a modern payment system to facilitate payments and improve the experience of its users. It will reduce time, reduce costs, improve service quality, accelerate financial inclusion, and boost formalization among other benefits. The World Bank is helping the Bank of Guyana achieve its objective by providing technical assistance to develop a comprehensive reform supported by a strong legal and policy framework. It has developed the Retail Payment Study, a practical guide for measuring retail payments costs. Also, it is assisting the Bank of Guyana team to prepare the National Payment System Act and Regulations, the National Payment System Strategy, the Oversight Policy Framework, Implementation Plan for the Oversight Function of the Guyana National Payment System, and to prepare the rulebook for the system. The World Bank technical assistance is valued at about 500,000 US dollars, which is non-reimbursable funds. In addition, the World Bank and the Bank of Guyana are preparing an investment project to modernize the national payment system to enhance safety and efficiency of payments. The project support would include developing payment system infrastructure, capacity building of Bank of Guyana staff, and project implementation unit. To finance this project, the Ministry of Finance will negotiate a US $5 million IDA credit with the World Bank. Considering that Guyana is eligible to benefit from World Bank IDA funds on concessional terms, this means credits that have zero or very little interest charge. Repayments are stretched over 25 to 40 years, including a 5 to 10-year grace period. The investment of $5 million US dollars in the Guyana Payment System project could generate 16 million US dollars in savings by 2021 for consumers and government agencies. If only 50% of cash payments made by consumers, and if 70% of cash payments made by government agencies are substituted with fully electronic credit transfer, in 2020 and 2021. Corporate savings and government payments related to procurement were not considered in the estimated savings. After 2021, beyond the life of the project, the conversion rate and annual savings in Guyana are expected to be higher. Guyana Payment System Project, a modern payment system to enhance safety and efficiency of payments in Guyana.